Hey you guys, it's January 1st. Happy New Year. But guess what? My 28-day Couch to Mat Yoga Challenge doesn't start until Monday, January 4th. So go back to bed. I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. And I'm kidding, but I'm not. My 28-day Couch to Mat Yoga Challenge does start on January 4th, this coming Monday. It's 28 days. We practice every day, but don't be intimidated. We start small. We're going to start with just 10 minutes a day, and then each week we'll add on. It's a great challenge if you're new to the practice, because we are going to start small, and you'll ease your way into the flow, and you'll be able to build your own practice as we move through the 28 days. It's also a great challenge if you're someone who's done yoga before, and you've just gotten away from the practice. It's a great challenge if you're someone who's practicing, but you don't know how to cultivate a daily practice. So the long and the short of it is, it's a great challenge for anyone who wants to add yoga into their life in the new year. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need yoga pants. You can practice in your pajamas. You won't even need a yoga mat. The challenge is free here on my YouTube channel. It starts Monday, January 4th. We upload the videos at 12:01 a.m. So if you stay up really late and you want to practice before you go to bed, or you get up really early and you want to practice before you start your day, the classes will be here for you every day. And then they'll stay up on the YouTube channel. So if you want to come back and try another practice again or review something, you can. Now the whole time my 28-day challenge is happening, I'm still going to be teaching live on Wednesday mornings on my Instagram, which is also the Bent Yogi. That's at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll still be putting up Friday Power Flows here. So lots of opportunities to practice with me. I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. I will see you on your mat Monday, January 4th. Happy New Year, you guys.